It's a brief tutorial on how to make payments for the the course at the end of the program. Okay, so I'm gonna be brief, less talking and more action. All right, so when you visit our Instagram, you can see the second link there takes you directly to our website. Okay, for the academy, right? All you have to do is go to the website, um, do how to familiarize yourself. For the payment process, you just simply come down here. Currently, only the foundational course certificates are available. So you just click on submit to mastery or commit to mastery, and the current program you're taking is the product management course, right? So it's a 4-week course. So that's the right course. Now you have to input your data in here. All right, so this is where you input your name. So if you're Stephen Andor, enter your name the way it's supposed to be, the full name, how it's supposed to appear on your certificate, okay? So say my name is ACHR, all right, that's Ambitious Consent HR, and my email is achr at gmail.com. Sorry. Okay, great. So here you have to ensure that your serial number or your student ID number is the correct one. Ensure that the numbers are right. So in this case, you're going to use this as a serial number, and we continue to make payments. All right. The same thing I entered. If I enter ACHR at gmail.com. Okay. I like using caps, but you can just use it's not case sensitive, right? So ACHR at gmail.com. And you input any wrong number here or index number here, it's not going to go through because we have a list of those who have actually gone through the course. Okay. Now, if your group has done the presentation, you are going to have access to this to make payments for your certificates. And those also in the final group, the PM class, upon submitting your assignments 1 and 2 and participating in the project work, you have to ensure that your assignment 1 and 2 is turned in before your name ends up in the list. Okay, so let's be mindful of that. Now let's input the number here. I believe we've all made payments before, so it's the same way you make payments everywhere. So if you choose to pay with card, you can just select card, you can just select Momo, and you tap on make payment. Okay, payment prompt will appear. You input your phone number and then you select your network. Okay, then you just tap on confirm. The prompt will be sent to your phone, and that's basically that. That's how you make payment. And after making payment, if you make payment before graduation, during or after graduation, the list will be there. Certificates will be going out, will be sent automatically after the graduation ceremony. Okay, so when you make payments, you're not receiving it right away unless it's after the ceremony. The minute you make payment, the certificate will be sent to you via mail. Okay, so that is that. Be mindful of some of who we are. Okay, most of you haven't been to the website yet, and you probably missed orientation, so you can go through our website and then read more about us. And these programs will be open for registration very soon. You're going to have foundational courses for them, so you have the understanding before you jump into the professional courses. Okay, so you can see that some of these courses are going to take 14 weeks, some of them 10 weeks. All right, so these are advanced courses, assistance with which and where you can always reach out to any of the moderators and they'll assist you. All right. You can also make payments when you come to certification. It's straightforward. It's a foundational certificate, but then you're not expected to explore. You just go down and then select pay for certificates, choose the program, and it takes you back to the same process. All right. Now, take note of this. Make sure the selected course and student ID match your registration record. Okay, so that we can issue the correct certificates after the cohort closes. And that summarizes when the certificates will be provided to you. That's 10 USD, that's about 120 cedis, Ghanaian cedis. The same way translate to every other currency. Okay, so you should make payments. I advise that you make payments. Also go to our socials, more followers. All right, so you should follow us and like our posts. And when the new courses, when registrations are open for the new courses, they will be available on our Instagram and on our website. So you can keep tabs. You should keep tabs because advanced courses are coming. They're fully packed with serious practical work. All right, you should upgrade, and this is your chance to do it. Okay, you can also visit major sponsor, which is Ambitious Concern. Check out their services and leave a like or two. Okay. So this brings me to the end of this guide. I hope it's that simple to go through. It is supposed to be very simple. If you are having any challenges, reach out to any of the moderators via WhatsApp, or simply just contact us. You go to contact us and you put your information here, select the program, and then leave us a message. So if you are struggling to work on your certificate, just do that. We'll reach out to you. The HR and the admission teams will cordially attend to you. The end of your session with our foundation course on product management. Okay. So I'm going to apply the same principles over onto your social media, take you through some of the courses. There'll be an extra course that will take you through how to go through the LinkedIn and all that. And as usual, as we say here, be ambitious.